In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. If you've got double entries sneaking into your spreadsheet, maybe repeated emails, IDs, or entire rows, there's no need to chase them down one by one. Google Sheets has a built-in tool that can scan your selection and clear out duplicates in just a few clicks, while keeping one clean copy of each unique entry. Start by opening your sheet and highlighting the data you want to check. Click and drag to select a specific range, or if you want to scan everything on the sheet, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard, or Command+A if you're on a Mac. Selecting the right area matters, because Sheets will only evaluate duplicates within the range you've highlighted. With your data selected, head to the menu at the top, click Data, hover over Data Cleanup, and then choose Remove Duplicates. A dialog window will pop up. This window is your control panel. It shows the number of rows and columns in your selection, and it lets you decide exactly how Google Sheets should look for duplicates. Before you do anything else, check the box labeled Data has Header Row if your first row contains column titles like name, email, or ID. This tells Sheets to treat that top row as labels, not as data to be deleted, so your headers stay intact. Next, look at the list of columns in the dialog. If you want to treat a row as a duplicate only when every column matches, keep all the columns checked. If you only care about repeats in a single field, like duplicate email addresses, uncheck everything except that one column. Sheets will then remove additional rows where that chosen column repeats, keeping the first instance it finds. Once your options look right, click Remove Duplicates. Sheets will scan your selection and instantly display a summary message telling you how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique rows remain. Only the extra copies are deleted. The first occurrence of each unique value is kept. If no duplicates are found, you'll see that confirmation and your data will stay exactly as it is. If you realize you removed something you still needed, don't worry. Just press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on a Mac to undo the change right away. And that's all there is to it. By selecting your range, confirming headers, choosing the right columns to compare, and running Remove Duplicates, you can clean your data in seconds and get back to analyzing information that's accurate and ready to use.